mondial yo pas pour nous yo ça la boue des volets yo pillé dévoré. Les peuples qui l'ont dit prend fusil yo connaît yo bouquet. La médecine internationale ça met col sous côté.
What's up? Sac passé. My name is Dr. Celucien Joseph, the host of a brand new YouTube channel, Faith, Reason, Dialogue. Yeah, that's right. Faith, Reason, Dialogue. I'm very excited to announce our very first show with the distinguished Haitian philosopher and social scientist, DrPaul Mocombe. We're going to have a great conversation with DrPaul Mocombe tomorrow, May 14th at 6 p.m. on our YouTube channel, Faith, Reason, Dialogue. I want you to invite a friend to check us out. Let me tell you about the subject, the topic of our tomorrow's show. Vodou philosophy and science. DrPaul Mocombe is a prominent Haitian philosopher who has written prolifically about the intersections of Vodou idealism, or the history of ideas, and science. So tomorrow, we're going to explore 5 topics together. Vodou and modern science, especially physics. Vodou metaphysics, what Paul Mocombe called Haitian Vodou metaphysics. Then we're going to explore our third topic, Haitian epistemology, which Dr. Mocombe grounded on the Haitian Vodouist worldview. And finally, Dr. Mocombe will talk about Vilokan idealism. Vilokan idealism. Vilokanism as the dwelling place of the Haitian law. I'm very excited. You'll be able to participate in this conversation. You'll be able to learn more about the relationship between Vodou and modern science and history of ideas. Again, my name is Dr. Joseph, the host of Faith, Reason, and Dialogue. I'll see you tomorrow on our YouTube channel at 6 p.m. Peace.
Yo fait réunion, yo parlé, yo rancé. Devant verre champagne, bon divin, qu'importe, c'est la s'arrêter. Les peuples en bas, tout pays, tout côté. Moi, remettant des autres cap